Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo here of damage from the tropical storm that came through New Hampshire yesterday evening. More than 50,000 without power in New Hampshire. Officials say full restoration could take 3 days. Eversource officials address technical problems with reporting system. Tens of thousands of Granite Staters were without electricity Wednesday morning as tropical storm Isaiah moved through New England. More than 55,000 electric customers without power. Emergency management officials in town across the state said they have been told that it could be 3 days before all power is restored. We have hundreds of line, tree, and service workers throughout the state working to restore power as quickly and safely as possible under our pandemic plan. Caitlin Woods, media specialist of Eversource, said. The storm caused significant damage across the state, leading officials to restrict travel on dozens of roads. The State Emergency Operations Center was fully activated Wednesday morning to provide support for the post-storm cleanup as well as its duty to support the state's COVID-19 response. The emergency officials urge safety and patience as crews work to clean up areas up and get power restored. Outage maps and information. Eversource 1-800-627-7764 to report outages. New Hampshire Electric Co-op 1-800-343-6432 to report outages. Unitil 1-888-301-7700 to report outages. Liberty Utilities 1-855-349-9455 to report outages. Woods said restoration efforts could take a little longer than normal as the storm affected the entire region and workers are a bit hampered because they are adhering to coronavirus safety guidelines. During the pandemic, our crews are adhering to strict social distancing, hygiene, and hand sanitation, wearing masks when within 6 feet of each other. Our line crews are traveling in separate vehicles. It does make it even more challenging, so it could be a little longer for restoration than usual, Woods said. Woods confirmed the company experienced some technical problems with their automated outage reporting system on Tuesday, but said officials were working to resolve any issues. We've had multiple teams working with AT&T to get that resolved as quickly as possible, Woods said. Our customers are able to report their outages using our online tool and calling us at 800-662-7764. People who see downed wires are urged to stay far away from them and call 911 immediately. It should be assumed that the downed wires are still alive. And that does it for this news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your afternoon, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.